Which phenomena shows the characteristics of dark age? Option A expresses the false situation because there prevailed unstable situation after warfare, not serene. Option B and option C are false too because ataraxis and heartsease are synonymous for peace. On the other hand, in option D, reposing means resting, which also conveys the false idea for the after effect of invasion. So only option E is correct because in the passage, warfare is mentioned as one of the phenomena, and waging of armed conflict means conducting wars between enemies. So option E is the correct answer.